You believe say the violent movie, you think it influence the youth them for Anton gunman? Action movie they full of beer violence. If you say they impact the mind, see me influence people to carry out these violent acts in real life. What you think?
Of course, if you know say you want gun nowadays.
As the man say, is an influence for the youth, you know.
For movie popular and entertaining enough for you to be trying stunts so them see a movie and everything, you see me? Them hear someone a killer and where they want to be killer too. And feel like them can skip shot like how them see them skip it in a movie, you see me? Yeah.
I feel like I certain things because they make you them pretty negative and get ignorant on a level and then go to school they want to try on the other, one another. You see me? They have to just know where the on a level. We don't want too much of them things.
I know so them are youth, I know there's certain things they want to try. This is how we look, or how we play out with them.
Really? I say younger generation, but not all of them. Some of them get the opportunity to be aware of what go up in the street.
It's easy.
In some way it does.
Yes, I. Because right now we don't see them I do. Right now.
Focus, determined, master. It's a mental thing.
The movie them have a lot to do with it.
Depends on our mindset. I hold a movie more time, I'm not violent. Isn't it?
The violent movie, it can influence the youth them still, but the basic things about the violent movie, you know, it is like the youth upbringing and how his parents bring him up. If his parents bring him up violent and then start to watch a violent movie, you know, most definitely you're going to make him get violent. But if he grew up in a family of love and understanding, the violent movie going to give him a split knowledge, you know, of how he's going to defend himself and how he's going to split the justice and everything, you know, most definitely.
The youth also look up to the movie star, them whenever them face the movie star, them do them think them can do it in their real life. So, of course, the violence in that movie, them influence the youth, them, you see me?
It's an influence on the youth.
But definitely, it's an influence. But we don't want them take if you say, I saw me want be and I saw me want you to be and no, we want them take it as to show you say, this is not the right way. This is the way where you're not going to come back. We want the youth them use it as for sure say, guess what, we know what is violence. So too we know what is violence.
Stop watching a gun show them and them thing there, see me? Watch more educational movie, my friend.